Hello everyone, Neet here from Visa Empire. In this video, we will discuss about the big news of 485 replacement visa, which is going to start from 1st of July 2022. That means tomorrow. So guys, first of all, I know everybody is excited to know who all are eligible. You must be outside Australia anytime between the period of 1st February 2020 and 15th of December 2021. Even if you were outside Australia for a day between these two dates, you are eligible to apply for 485 visa, provided you hold either right now 485 visa or you have previously held 485 visa which has expired on or after 1st February 2020. So guys, the most exciting thing about this replacement visa is it is going to allow you for the full duration of the original stay. So let's say the previous 485 visa was granted for 2 years, and out of that only for a day you were outside Australia, and now again next 485 replacement visa will be granted for full duration of 2 years. Full fee, that is visa application charges, that gonna be full, that is 1680 that you need to pay for the application of replacement visa. So guys, if you have any question or you want to check your eligibility for replacement visa, feel free to contact Visa Empire.